Hallo miteinander. Herzlich willkommen zurück zu Let's Play The Walking Dead. Wir haben gerade den Arm verloren, den letzten Part. Oder besser gesagt, der Kenny hat noch uns abgenommen, amputiert, wegen dem Biss. Wir hoffen, wir haben mehr Zeit wegen dem. Und wir haben jetzt gerade die Glocke geläutet. Wir schauen, was die Zombies machen und wir schauen auch, dass wir davon kommen. So. Lee, wie willst du dort runterkommen? Es hat sicher eine Falltür, wir können sicher in die Kille rein. Aber dann...
That did the trick, pal! Now get back here!
But how? Vergiss das.
I think I have to jump. There's
Nein.
no way back.
You can make it! It ain't that far!
Ich habe keinen anderen Arm, um mich abstützen. Man. Ist nicht so weit.
It's not that far, just a little hop.
Kann nicht nachlaufen, bitte? Oh shit. Nein, ich hätte es runterklettern können. Heb die, ich habe geklickt. Yes, ich habe geklickt. Hilf mir, Kenny. Ken?
Good goddamn leap, pal.
Ja.
Let's get the hell off this roof!
Ah, alright, Feuertreppe. Sehr schön. Sehr schön, wie es dort Feuer strömt. Sehr schön sieht das aus. Alright, back at the mansion. Bam. Kennt nichts mit der Lee. Wer ist dort drin? Hat der Omi jetzt eingesperrt? Oh nein. Hä? Was ist mit euch zwei?
Vernon, his entire crew, they took the boat.
No fucking way!
They jumped us. They didn't have Clementine. They took the boat and locked us in here.
Und das Boot geklaut.
The invalids?
Their actions contradict your characterization, but yeah, the invalids.
They fucked us!
He's right. They're not invalids. They're just people. People who've been dealing with shitty situations even longer than we have. No wonder they got the jump on us.
I don't give a fuck if their Make-A-Wish was a fucking boat ride! When I find them, I'm gonna rip their throats out!
We'll never find them.
Fuck him.
Ah, man.
Cancer, no cancer. Saint, sinner, who gives a shit? The people who knew what they were doing.
Yeah, screwing us!
Yep.
What the hell happened to you?
Cut it off.
Seriously?
I was bitten.
I was bitten.
What?
It was an accident. Small, stupid thing. But yeah,
Before we split up?
yes.
You fucker! God, we would have gone with you!
Hey.
I lived through it, which is a start. And, well,
Ich habe gedacht, das tut mir ein bisschen Zeit kaufen.
thought it might buy me some time. You know, get that bite off my body. Hopefully whatever's gonna happen takes longer.
Yep. Ja, und
Oni,
jetzt?
can you go over the fence and let us into the backyard? We shouldn't be out in the open.
Yeah.
Und jetzt, Mann?
This is not happening. Everything is so fucked.
Clementine is still out there.
Sorry.
So we get Clementine, and then what?
We get the fuck out of cities. I'm done with cities. We go into the countryside and make a go of it.
Du hast recht,
I'm gonna
Frau.
go back out there again.
Then don't. Go your own way.
You're every man for himself until you and your boyfriend actually need something.
You wouldn't have had a boat to lose without us.
Hey, jetzt wegen dem Boot, wir müssen
Worry
später
about the
schauen.
boat after.
Jetzt kommt
You can
zuerst.
scour the goddamn coast looking for her.
Ja, wir können das Floß
Wish
bauen.
the cancer had got him.
You're welcome to. Just calm down for a second.
Ja. Wir schauen nachher wegen dem Boot. Hey. Jetzt schauen wir zuerst mal wegen der
We can do
Clementine.
this in the yard.
Wahrscheinlich läutet dem Walkie-Talkie jetzt
What
wieder
do
an.
you think, Lee? What do we do now without a boat?
Well, I know you two are just gonna look out for number one. Number two, you know,
Small town
yourselves.
It's not like that, man.
Bullshit, it's not.
Don't engage in that.
Ja,
There's
also,
other shit
wir
at
gehen
play,
jetzt, wir
alright?
gehen in die
Get to the
Land, Mann, weil
countryside.
dort hat es eher Bötli.
Dicked around with cities and coastlines and boats too long. Take her out there. Live as safe as you can, okay?
Yeah. We gotta get out into some open
Ah, jetzt haben wir,
spaces.
You know that's what
jetzt haben
I'm...
wir für immer
This is
entschieden.
bullshit. You might not even be around, so...
Mhm.
With all due respect, Lee,
Das stimmt.
his opinion doesn't carry a
Wahrscheinlich
lot
werde
of
ich
weight.
nicht mal da sein.
It's still his little girl out there. She's number one. That's the end of that, okay?
But what about...
Oh man.
Oh shit! Here they come.
In the house!
Oh man. Da sind die Hunderttausende. Was machen wir, Mann? Was machen wir
They
immer noch
shouldn't
da?
be able to get into the backyard, right? Maybe not.
We can secure this place.
Krista,
Front room windows.
get on the windows in the front room. Check the boards.
Got it.
Okay.
Kenny,
Kenny. Move furniture.
move anything you can up against the doors and windows.
That's what I was thinking.
Omid,
Omid.
what is it?
What? Front doors!
Front doors!
Oh, of course. Der Lee geht wieder mal um. Ah, scheißegal, wir sind eh schon gebissen.
Lee, help!
Ja.
Their fucking arms off!
There's gotta be a knife or something in there.
Coming.
Hurry!
Nein, rechts Schublade. Rechts Schublade. Ich weiß es.
Take
Das
those
ist so eine
goddamn arms
Messerschublade.
off!
Und dann. Yes. Close door. Finger. Okay.
Now what?
Get ready
Get
to
ready
fight.
This place seems sturdy to me. I think we're fine.
Ja, das stimmt. Ufe.
Sturdy my ass! Get upstairs!
Go!
Ja. Oh shit, dich kennen wir. Du bist eine von den Invalids gewesen, hä? Alright.
Guys, help
Ja,
me with
ja,
this.
ja. Genau, so etwas wollte ich sagen. Irgendetwas Grosses. Grosses an die Stege. Los! Again. Los.
Everyone get to the end of the hallway.
Ja.
This'll slow him down.
Los.
Get to the end of the
Aha,
hallway.
haben wir's schon.
Take a fucking stand.
Ah, okay, und jetzt häufen wir einfach einen Haufen auf, dass die Zombies selber nicht drüber kommen. Okay.
When we see an opening, we go for it. How many bullets y'all have?
3.
5.
4.
Y'all know where to aim.
Get ready.
Schiessen dir auch mal, bitte. Ich will nicht all meine Schüsse verballern. Oh shit. Ich bin leer.
I'm out!
Me too. Fuck. Where do we go? There's no goddamn opening.
Up!
Ab, okay, auf, ja, in dem Fall zum Huhu.
Go!
Let's go. Oh, da kommt er. Oh ja, ist eh leer. Ich finde den anderen.
That could have gone better.
Everyone okay?
Lee's still bitten.
Ja.
Shut up.
Okay. Let's get out of here and keep moving.
Kid's right. We gotta keep moving. Think there's any chance we get Clem and catch up to those goddamn thieves?
Keine Ahnung.
Maybe.
Vielleicht
not
holen wir
going out
sie,
through
wenn wir
this
Clem
window.
haben, aber...
No latches, no roof access, and 30 feet straight down.
Anyone have any ideas?
I bet this guy
Weiß
would.
Schei.
He's got a resourceful air about him.
Knock it off.
Dixon Kent III. Industrial...
Need?
Krista. Just trying to lighten the fucking tone.
We need solutions, not stupid jokes. I'm sorry.
So, no
Wir müssen
ideas.
einen anderen Weg
There's gotta
finden.
be another way.
Wir
Check the
müssen
floor
raus.
for any other access. A vent. Anything.
Or we wait for the house to clear out and stick to the high ground.
Habe ich ein bisschen Fieber?
You're not looking great. And you're warm.
Yep. I'm okay.
I'm okay. Don't.
Clemmy.
I'm okay. I'm really paranoid. No.
Okay, sie ist im
What did that
Hotel.
mean?
She's at the hotel.
Marshals.
Parents were staying. He hasn't moved her.
Yet.
Yeah. Yet.
Los.
We need to start thinking about more than just Clementine when it
Nee.
comes to our urgency.
What do you mean?
How do we get out of here?
That's the whole point.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Okay, now your life depends on it. How do you get out of here?
I don't know. I don't get it.
I do.
Panic können wir
Stop it. We
nicht.
can't panic.
Do you think that worked?
Don't know. Hope so.
Das hat sicher nicht
I think we need to
funktioniert.
have an adult conversation about what happens if Lee takes another spill.
Yep.
Hey, look.
We could be looking at a Larry situation here.
Who's Larry?
It don't matter.
He looks fine to
We
me.
don't need to talk
Don't need
about
to talk
it.
about it.
I think we do.
I said we don't.
Guys, I don't know what happened before Omid and I showed up, but we can cross this bridge when we get to it.
Lee, I'm not advocating anything here, but how is this not a thing? We're all so worked up about Clementine that we're forgetting what the fuck happened to you.
Danke.
I'm really
Verdammt
glad I got
vielmals.
you looking out for me. For Clem. This is just fucking great.
Relax, Lee.
This is getting out of hand.
You're gonna
Nein,
listen to
nein.
me. We will get Clementine back, with or without you.
Okay.
Because I haven't given up everything to die because we
Sorry,
were stupid.
okay? Ich kann
I'm
nicht so
sorry,
hoch
okay?
wollen gehen, Mann. Ich
Fuck,
habe
we
nur
can't
gerade
do
gedacht,
this.
du
We're
bist
gonna
genauso
have
gewesen wie
to.
ich. Was?
Ah!
Alright. There's a way out.
You ruined that dude's face.
Shut up, sweetie. Look.
Ich habe jetzt gerade gar nicht vercheckt, was da abgegangen ist. Ich wollte eigentlich reden mit ihm. Und irgendwie habe
What's on
ich
the other
voll
side of this
Streit
wall?
angefangen. Es ist
30-foot
völlig
drop?
geschissen.
No, this mansion butts up.
Los, Lee.
This wall ain't shit.
Is this really possible?
I don't know.
Yeah, we can do this.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll work in shifts. Omid, Krista, and I. Lee, you rest. We have to work fast.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Me too. I get it. Go sit down.
Merci. Wir kommen raus. Das ist mal etwas. Das
Can't
ist mal
believe you
etwas.
didn't tell us you were bitten.
Hey, ich kann wählen, ich kann... Ihr hättet eh nichts
Couldn't
können
do
machen.
anything anyway.
No, except make sure Clementine had someone coming for her that wasn't liable to die on the way there.
I wasn't gonna let that happen.
I'm sure that's what that Larry guy or whoever said.
He wasn't bitten. It was different.
You were scared. I don't blame you.
I would be scared shitless.
It's so weird. I keep doing a double take on your arm, expecting it to be there.
I'm hoping whatever's in their bite is gone too.
And what do you think the odds are of that?
I don't know. I know
Schlechte
everyone's
Chance.
wondering. Even if it just slows down the process, I'd be happy.
You don't mean that.
So when we get this guy, what do you think?
Wir müssen
We
herausfinden,
figure
wer er
out who
ist
he
und warum
is,
das er es gemacht
why
hat.
he's
Ich
doing
meine,
this. We can rescue Clem, but she won't be safe if this guy's not gonna stop.
So, did your crew get into any shit before you met up with us?
oh
Is
ja.
it possible to have survived and not gotten into some shit?
And, you know, whatever happens to you,
Seriously, can we not talk like that?
Ja, hey. Wir müssen doch.
I was bitten, Krista.
Ja.
You cut it off.
What good is it to plan around that working?
What good is it for you to give up?
I haven't given up.
Ich will den Kenny, dass er auf Clementine schaut.
Stop it.
Do you hear me?
are you sure, man?
Ja.
You didn't see him with his family. What did you do to protect them?
We're not doing this right now.
Krista,
Euch zwei
Listen
kann
to
ich
me.
nicht.
That's what
That's
I
a
want,
good.
okay?
All right. I'm out of gas. You look good and rested.
sure, if you don't count an infected leg.
You want me to do it?
Nah, and you can hop in after me.
Alright.
Shouldn't be long now. It's good we're forced to take a breath. Got, feeling any better?
Was zur Hölle denkst?
What the hell do you think, Kenny?
I'm not insinuating you're a damn superhero. I mean, do you think it worked? Did it help at all?
Ich weiß es nicht, Alter. Das
I feel
Fieber und
like
so.
a man who got bitten. So, take that for what it's worth.
Heard you guys giving Lee some hell about hiding his bite.
Yeah, of course.
I'd have done the same thing.
Ken, come on.
How are you?
I don't know how to answer that.
I'm sorry. You've lost more than anyone.
Hey, es ist alles okay, Ken.
Why you acting like what's happened ain't happened? Anyway, I appreciate it from both of you. A lot of us have lost family.
Nein, Ken. Please, so kann ich.
Tell you much about what we've been through?
Bits and pieces.
So kann
The
der Clementine
aforementioned
nicht.
Larry fella? See, Lee and I got trapped in a fucking meat locker with him. He had a heart attack, so there's this guy who, I should say, was built like a brick shithouse. And we're terrified he's gonna come back and eat all of us.
What did you do?
We were resourceful.
Larry didn't make it out.
Nope.
No, he did not. We did, though.
Es tut mir leid für jeden Schmerz, den ich zurückgerufen habe, Kenny.
It's impossible to go through life without causing some sort of pain. But sometimes I can't help but wonder if I could have caused a little less.
You and me both, Doc. Well, cheers.
Nein, Ken, please. Also komm, sure. Fuck it. Ein Schluck ist okay. Was machst du? Alright. Wir machen eine Pause. Oh wow, die hat jetzt gerade ein bisschen viel gegessen. Das war aber nicht cool gewesen. Oh oh.
I'm through!
Sie ist hoffentlich nicht von der AA, hä?
No walkers. Things are looking up.
Alright, gehen wir durch. Aber ich muss leider schon wieder so geschissen schneiden, der Part ist wieder zu lang. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Was passiert jetzt echt? Ich weiß es nicht. Ist das eigentlich... Ja, das ist Green Farm, da hinten dran. Wir werden jetzt sehen, was auf dem anderen Haus uns erwartet oder ob wir einen Ausweg finden. Ich denke, wir werden schon etwas finden. Also, und Clementine werden wir auch retten. Was mit dem Biss ist, weiss ich nicht. Wir sehen uns das nächste Mal. Peace.